हाय हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स। कैसे हैं आप लोग? कैसे चल रहे हैं आपका प्रिपरेशंस? सो आई होप एवरीबडी इज डूइंग वेल एंड यू आर प्रैक्टिसिंग वेरी वेल. सो एज ऑफ द प्रीवियस क्लासेस today, so I am here with one more very important concept, that is chapter called application of derivatives. So on this the question will be asked for 1 marks, 2 marks as well as for 3 marks. Okay, so today we'll discuss some of the very important examples for 3 marks, isn't it? So basically two kinds of problems will be asked on this. So the finding maximum and minima value of a given function and the rate of change of volume, the rate of change of radius, area based on these. Okay, so today we'll discuss the first kinds of problem, that is finding the maximum and minimum. So only the difference is the interval and the given function will be different from each other. Okay, so please continue to stay in the video and watch till the end. लास्ट तक वीडियो देखिए तो आपका डाउट पूरा क्लियर हो जाएगा, ये मेरा गारंटी है. ठीक है, चलिए एक important एग्जांपल देखेंगे. Find the absolute maximum and minimum value of the function 2x cube minus 15x square plus 36x plus 31 in the interval 1, 5. And this is interestingly he has given in the square brackets. Interval is defined in actually 4 forms, mainly 2. One is open interval, another one is closed interval. Okay, let us see. This is a representation of open interval and this bracket, square bracket, is used as closed interval. The difference is, for example, I'll take it as, if I write 1, 5 and here also 1, 5, the difference is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so these end values, that is 1 and 5, are not used. Only in between values are used to solve the problem. Okay, this is the open interval. Whereas in the closed interval, again you can have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So you can use all the values while solving the problems. Okay, we call these 1 and 5 as end values and these are in between values. Okay, here only in between values are used, here all the values including end values are used. So this is the difference between the open interval and the closed interval, isn't it? Okay, let us say, so for us 1 and 5 can be used because it is a closed interval. Okay, now to solve these kind of problem, compulsory first consider the given function, that is 2x cube minus 15x square plus 36x plus 1. Okay, now first step is to differentiate the given function. Differentiate with respect to x, compulsory. Okay, so f of x becomes f dash of x. And how to differentiate this is very important. You look at this, 1 term, 2 term, 3 terms and 4 terms. There are 4 different terms are there, and differentiate them separately. Term by term, let us differentiate them. Now first term is 2x cube. 2 is a constant, keep it as it is. Just differentiate the variable. Variable is x cube. How to differentiate? Differentiation of x raised to n, that is n x raised to n minus 1. This is the formula to be obtained. X to the power of any number, that is n is here 3. So differentiation of x cube is 3x square. Okay, is it okay? So minus 15, again constant as it is. So differentiation of x square. X square differentiation is 2x, using the same formula. Okay, now plus 36. Again 36 is a constant, keep here. X differentiation is 1. Okay, now look at into the last term. Plus 1 is there. So plus 1 is a pure constant. There is no variable. So the differentiation of a constant is always 0, isn't it? Okay, now let us simplify this. 2, 3 is a 6x square. 15 to the 30, that is minus 30x plus 36 into 1 is 36. So after differentiating, what you need to do is, well, check whether we can simplify further or not. Okay, so we can take 6 as common because all are multiple of 6. So if you take in 6 as common, you divide all the terms by 6. 6 cancel, it remains only x square. 6 5 are, so 5x. 6 6 are 36. Isn't it simple, right? Let us see. Now this is a quadratic equation. What form it is? Ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, isn't it? So this is a quadratic equation. Let us simplify this. So quadratic equation, how to simplify? Coefficient of first term, coefficient of last term. Here it is 1 into 6, right? 6. Split the middle term. Middle term is minus 5. Okay, now take the two elements. That is, I'll take 3 into 2, because if you multiply it, you will get the 6. Okay, मल्टीप्लीकेशन करने के बाद आपको लास्ट टर्म आना चाहिए, ऐड करने के बाद मिडिल टर्म आना चाहिए. अब ऐड करो, क्या आएगा? 3 प्लस 2 इज प्लस 5, बट हमारे को क्या चाहिए? माइनस 5. तो हम क्या करेंगे यहाँ पे? I'll take this as minus 3 and minus 2. फिर से एक बार मल्टीप्लाई करिए. 3 to the 6, minus into minus plus, so plus 6 is. So if you add this, you will get it as minus 5. Here it is minus 5. So minus 3 and minus 2 are satisfying. Multiplication is 6, addition is minus 5. Let us solve it. So x square minus 5x can be written as minus 3x minus 2x plus last term as it is. This is already you have studied in class 9 only. Let us see. So take the common from first two. X is common, the remaining will be x minus 3. You copy the same here. I'll tell you the easiest way to find the factors. So common is x, remaining is x minus 3. Copy this here. Now note the third term only. Third term देखिए minus 2x है. अब ये यहाँ पे क्या हो गया? Only x. Minus 2x become x. The missing term is minus 2. Minus 2x x. Missing term is minus 2. Keep it here. Isn't it simple to find? Isn't it? Now x minus 3 is common. 6 as it is. So if you take x minus 3, the remaining term will be x minus 2. Okay. Now this is your f dash of x. This is the first part of the problem. Differentiating, simplification. This is same for all the problems. Okay. Let us see. Now we have second part is, now we have f dash of x equals to 0. Compulsory take f dash of x as 0. What you will get? This term is equal to 0. This implies 6 into x minus 3 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. Now bring this 6 into RHS. 0 by anything is 0. So this remains x minus 3 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. Right? 0 by anything is 0. Now equate them separately, equal to 0. X minus 3 is equal to 0 and x minus 2 is equal to 0 separately. So you bring back them. What you will get? X equals to 3 and x equals to 2. These are your x values. Isn't it simple to find the values after differentiating and simplification? Isn't it? Okay. The next step is very simple. Okay. Just take the number line and plot the points. Take the number line. Number line is nothing but what? A straight line. In general, the number line will be in the form of minus infinity to plus infinity. Because generally the minimum value is minus infinity and maximum value is plus infinity. But for our problem, he has given the interval 1 to 5. So instead of minus infinity to plus infinity, what will take? 1 to 5. Isn't it? Okay. Now just mention these obtained point on the number line. 2 and 3. So after 1 there may be 2, after 2 there may be 3. So 2 and 3 lies in between 1 and 5. Just mention them. Now how many intervals are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 intervals. That is 1, 2, 2, 3 and 3, 5. And if you observe 1, 2, 3 and 5, all the 4 elements are finite. Finite in the sense countable numbers. So what we need to do to find the maximum and minimum is, so I will make this as equation number 1. Substituting these 4 points in equation number 1, then observing maximum value and minimum value. This is the last part of the problem. Okay, let us see. Equation number 1 implies substitute x as 1, it becomes 1. Here is f of 1. Okay, now substituting x as 1 in all the terms, 2x cube in the sense 2 into 1 cube minus 15 1 square. Here also you can see plus 36 into 1 plus 1. Same function to be used and substituting once 1 2 3 4. एक बार 1 सब्स्टिट्यूट करिए, एक बार 2, एक बार 3 और एक बार 5. कहाँ पे? गिवन इक्वेशन में, दैट इज इक्वेशन 1 लिए सो है. अब इसका वैल्यू सिंप्लीफिकेशन करें तो क्या आएगा? देखिए, कैलकुलेट करिए कितना होगा. हाउ मच विल गेट? यस 24. यस, isn't it? Similarly, इक्वेशन 1 ही कंसिडर कीजिए, उसमें क्या पॉइंट डालिए? 2. एफ ऑफ सेम नंबर रहेगा, 1 के जगह पे क्या आएगा? 2. इधर से देख के लिख सकते हैं 2 क्यूब माइनस 15 इंटू 2 स्क्वायर प्लस 36 इंटू 2 प्लस 1. अब इसको सिंप्लीफिकेशन कीजिए, क्या होगा? देखिए एक बार 29. isn't it? ओके, नाउ फिर आगे देखिए और एक बार इक्वेशन 1 में क्या डालेंगे? नंबर 3. सो इसको दिस बिकम्स एफ ऑफ 3. सेम थिंग, 1 के जगह पे 2 आया, 2 के जगह पे अब क्या होगा? 3. 2 इंटू 3 क्यूब सॉरी माइनस 15 इंटू 3 स्क्वायर प्लस 36 इंटू 3 प्लस 1. इसको सिंप्लीफिकेशन कीजिए, क्या होगा? 28 होगा. कैलकुलेटर यूज कीजिए, वरना आपका दिमाग से डायरेक्टली कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. अब लास्ट वैल्यू क्या बचा है? 5. दिस इज द लास्ट वैल्यू. अगेन सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग दिस वैल्यू इन इक्वेशन नंबर 1 इटसेल्फ. सो इक्वेशन नंबर 1 इंप्लाइज एफ ऑफ 5. यही इक्वेशन लीजिए, 3 के जगह पे 5 डालिए. 5 क्यूब माइनस 15 इंटू 5 स्क्वायर प्लस 36 इंटू 1 प्लस 1. अब इसका वैल्यू एफ ऑफ 5 क्या होगा? 56 होगा. ठीक है, इतना मालूम होगा आपको सब लोगों को? ठीक है. नाउ इसमें से कौन सा मैक्सिमम वैल्यू है, कौन सा मिनिमम है, देख लीजिए. 24 इज अ मिनिमम वैल्यू. दिस इज at x equals to 1. कंक्लूजन में 2 स्टेप्स लिखना चाहिए. अगेन मैक्सिमम वैल्यू दिस वन. मैक्सिमम वैल्यू इज 56 at x equals to 5. सो दिस इज योर कंक्लूजन. लास्ट में कंक्लूजन लिखना मत भूलिए, क्योंकि आधा मार्क्स उसी में कट जाएंगे फिर नहीं लिखे तो. ओके, isn't it so simple? Consider the function, differentiate and simplify. Simplification should be fully. If anything is common, take it as common. If anything is in the form of quadratic equation, split it. And this is your fully simplified f dash of x. Then immediately take f dash of x as 0. Substitute here. Then if you simplify, you will get the value of x compulsory. Then take the number line and take the intervals 1 to 5 first. Then you plot in between values, whichever you have obtained. The next thing is to substitute all the finite values. जो भी काउंटेबल नंबर्स है वो सीधा क्वेश्चन जो भी दिए सो रहता है ना स्टार्टिंग में क्वेश्चन में, उसमें सारे सब्स्टिट्यूट करके जो मैक्सिमम है मैक्सिमम लिखो, जो मिनिमम है मिनिमम लिखो कंक्लूजन में. दैट्स इट. जस्ट लुक एंड रीड. Okay, my dear students, we'll see one more important example on application of derivatives. Find the absolute maximum value of this function in the interval 1, 3. This is exactly like the previous example only, and this has been asked in 2025. This problem is asked in 2025 previous year question paper. Okay, let us see. And he has asked only one value, that is only maximum. So what is the procedure, my dear students? So let us take f of x equals to 2x cube minus 24x plus 107. Okay, isn't it? Next step is to differentiate. Differentiate with respect to x. This is the procedure what we have discussed in the previous example. Let us say, so f of x becomes f dash of x. Then how to differentiate this one? Okay, what I said you, this is one different term. There are three terms. So differentiate term by term. First term is 2x cube. 2 is a constant as it is. X cube differentiation is 3x square. Isn't it? Minus 24 as it is. Differentiation of x is 1. Again, constant with the variable. The last one is a complete variable, so this becomes 0. Isn't it? Yes. Now, let us simplify. 2 3 is a 6x square minus 24. Isn't it? Now, let us simplify. Yes, simplification is possible. You can take 6 as common again, because both are multiple of 6. So it remains x square minus 4. You need to divide the whole thing by 6. That is 6 4 is 24. So this is your f dash of x. Okay. Next step is to, we have f dash of x equals to 0. Take this f dash of x as 0. What you will get? 6 into x square minus 4 is equal to 0. Now bring this 6 into RHS. 0 by anything is 0. So this becomes x square minus 4 is equal to 0. Isn't it? Isn't it? समझ में आ रहा ना सबको? इजी है, बहुत इजी है ये. हाँ, अगर प्रीवियस प्रॉब्लम आप और एक बार देखेंगे तो आपको पूरा का पूरा इजी हो जाएगा. अगर इतना ऐसे 1000 प्रॉब्लम दिए तो भी आप आराम से कर सकते. इफ दे गिव यू 1000 problems like this, just changing the interval and the function, you can easily solve within a minutes. 2 to 3 minutes you can easily solve. So how to simplify this is very important, because you need the value of x. Look at it. Is it looking like a algebraic formula? Yes. What is the formula? A square minus b square. Isn't it? What is the formula? A plus b into a minus b. Isn't it? Let us apply a square minus b square. It can be written as x square minus 2 square is equal to 0. Now compare this. A square minus b square. Okay. So a plus b into a minus b is equal to 0. Then separately equate them to 0. X plus 2 is equal to 0 and x minus 2 is equal to 0. If you transfer this into the RHS, it becomes x equals to minus 2 and x equals to 2. You obtain two values again, minus 2 and plus 2. After finding the values, what is our job is to, yes, tell me. Yes, we need to consider the number line. Yes, very good. So interval is given already. Again 1 to 3. So this is 1 and this is 3. And plot the points which we obtained. One is minus 2, another one is plus 2. So plus 2 may be exactly here. And where should we plot minus 2? So this is out of our interval. हमारा interval से बाहर है. So I'll take here. So maybe हमारा minus 2 यहाँ होगा, समझिए. Okay. So this is our interval 1 to 3. हमारे इंटरवल के अंदर क्या होगा? ओनली 2 है. सो माइनस 2 तो इंटरवल से बाहर है. सो इसको कंसिडरेशन नहीं करेंगे हम. कहाँ पे? प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग में. यस, वेरी गुड, राइट. अब हमारे इंटरवल क्या हो? 1 to 2 होगा. 1 to 2 और क्या होगा? 2 to 3. अब हम क्या करेंगे? 1, 2 and 3 इन तीनों वैल्यू को सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. ओनली तीनों क्यों? हमारा इंटरवल यहाँ से यहाँ तक है. इसके बीच में जितने भी पॉइंट आएंगे उनको कंसिडर करेंगे. ये आउट ऑफ द इंटरवल है. कौन सा इंटरवल? 1 to 3 से बाहर है, -2. अब दिख रहा है आपको. आप देख भी सकते हैं यहाँ पे, ठीक है। अब इसको इक्वेशन 1 ले लीजिए, इसके अंदर एक बार 1, एक बार 2 और एक बार 3 सब्स्टिट्यूट कीजिए, क्या होगा। सो इक्वेशन नंबर 1 इम्प्लाइज x की जगह पे क्या डालिए 1, द सब्स्टिट्यूट x एज 1, सो दिस बिकम्स 2 into 1 cube minus 24 into 1 plus 107. So this is, you will get it as 85. If we simplify, you will get it as 85. Okay. Next, similarly substitute x as 2. So 2 into 2 cube minus 24 into 2 plus 107. What you will get f of 2 as 75. ये सारे सिंप्लीफिकेशन कीजिए, आपका वैल्यू क्या होगा 75. यस, वन लास्ट वैल्यू 3, वो कहाँ पे, अगेन इक्वेशन 1 में ही. सो एफ ऑफ 3, सो क्या होगा 2 into 3 क्यूब minus 24 into 3 plus 107. अब इसका वैल्यू क्या होगा एफ ऑफ 3 का 89. सो आपको क्या फाइंड आउट करने के बोले, सो है मैक्सिमम वैल्यू. तीनों में से मैक्सिमम कौन सा है, दिस इज. मैक्सिमम वैल्यू इज 89 at x equals to 3. That's it. Isn't it so simple to find either only maximum or minimum or both maximum and minimum? Just check into it. ओके, वेलकम बैक माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स. चलिए और एक इम्पॉर्टेंट एग्जांपल्स देखेंगे. ये थोड़ा प्रीवियस प्रॉब्लम से थोड़ा अलग है. कैसा अलग है देखेंगे. चलिए, फाइंड द इंटरवल. क्या पूछे सके, देखो पिछले प्रॉब्लम्स में फाइंड द मैक्सिमम और मिनिमम वैल्यू पूछे गए थे. यहाँ पे फाइंड द इंटरवल पूछ रहे हैं इन विच द फंक्शन f इज गिवन बाय दिस वन 2x cube minus 3x square minus 36x plus 7 is strictly decreasing. यहाँ पे क्या फाइंड आउट करना है हमको, कौन सा इंटरवल में वैल्यू डिक्रीजिंग है, वो भी स्ट्रिक्टली है, कंपल्सरी डिक्रीज होना वहां पे. ओके, चलिए देखेंगे कैसा फाइंड आउट करते हैं. ये थोड़ा डिफरेंट प्रीवियस प्रॉब्लम. सो एफ ऑफ एक्स गिवन इज 2x क्यूब minus 3x square minus 36x plus 7. ठीक है. So this is your function. Let us say now first step is again differentiate with respect to x without any doubt, compulsory. Okay, so differentiate करिए, क्या होगा 2. now tell me how to differentiate it. How many terms are there? First term, second term, third term, fourth term, again 4 terms. Just differentiate term by term separately. So first term 2 as it is, x cube differentiation is 3x square. Isn't it easy? Minus 3 constant as it is, x square differentiation is 2x. Minus 36 as it is, x differentiation is 1. Lastly, plus 7 differentiation is 0. Why? Because it is a pure constant. There are no variables with the constant. So it is a pure constant. So differentiation will be 0, isn't it? Okay. Let us simplify further. 3 to the 6x square. Again 3 to the 6 minus as it is 6x minus 36. What I said you in the previous classes, after differentiating we need to simplify if possible. Let us observe this one. 6, 6, 36, all are multiple of 6. Again in the same as of the previous problem, 6 is coming as a common. So it is x square minus x minus 6. Divide all the terms by 6. Okay. Oh, again this is a quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c. Even though it is a plus, so we take it as a minus sign to the b, isn't it? Okay. Now split this term. 1 into minus 6 is minus 6. Let us split. So I will get x square minus x minus 6. Okay. So we'll take it as 6 into 1. 6 into 1 is 6. So we need minus 6. Okay, let us take it as, okay, we'll take it as 3 to the only. 3 to the 6. You need minus instance. I'll take it as minus 3 into 2. Minus 3 into plus 2 is minus 6. Again, you need is minus 1 as addition. Yes, you will get it as minus 1. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. Minus 3 into 2 is minus 6. You can split this. Yes. 6 as it is. X square as it is. Minus x can be written as minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 as it is. Again, you can take common from the first two. What will be the common? X. The remaining term is x minus 3. So directly write x minus 3 here. What I have explained in the previous problem. So it is a trick to find the roots. So observe the third term. 2x has become x. The missing term is plus 2. Plus 2 is missing here. So now you take x minus 3 as common. 6 as it is. X minus 3. The remaining will be x plus 2. So this is our f dash of x. This is our f dash of x. Okay. This is already, you studied in class 8, 9 or 10. So it doesn't matter. We will solve these kinds of problems. Let us see now what we have. F dash of x equals to 0. Until the number line, this problem is also same. There is a slight difference at the end. Okay. What this becomes? X minus 3 into x plus 2 is equals to 0. Now bring this 6 into RHS. 0 by 6 is 0. So this is nothing but x minus 3 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now equate them separately. X minus 3 is equal to 0 and x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now you will get, therefore, x equals to, if you transfer 3 into RHS, it becomes minus 3 becomes plus 3 and x will be plus 2 becomes minus 2. Isn't it the same as of the previous problems? There is nothing change until the finding the points of x, isn't it? Okay. Now after finding the points, we'll take the number line again. Let us take. What is the interval? Oh, yes, he is asking the interval to us. Let us find out. Now I'll take it as generally. This is very important. He hasn't mentioned the interval, you can see. He is asking to find the interval only. So this time you need to take the general intervals as minus infinity to plus infinity. Now plot the points what we have obtained. Minus 2. So here it may be minus 2. Here it may be 3. 3 here, positive way. Minus 2 just before the 3. Okay. Now observe how many intervals are there. Minus infinity comma minus 2. Can I write with red ink just to differentiate? Minus infinity to minus 2 and this is minus 2 to 3 and this is 3 to infinity. 3 intervals. 1, 2, again 3. First interval, second interval, third interval. Okay. Now how to find the decreasing, increasing? Just find out only one. You will get the others. Okay. Let us find the whether it is a increasing or decreasing. Let us say how to find in the sense between these two. इन दो इंटरवल्स है ना, माइनस इन्फिनिटी टू माइनस 2 के बीच में से एक नंबर सेलेक्ट कीजिए. कौन सा नंबर? अगेन आई विल टेक दिस एज इक्वेशन नंबर 1 ओनली. सो माइनस इन्फिनिटी टू माइनस 2 एक नंबर चूज कीजिए. क्या चूज करेंगे? x इक्वल्स टू माइनस 1. इसको इक्वेशन 1 में सब्स्टिट्यूट कीजिए. गिवन फंक्शन में क्या होगा? f ऑफ माइनस 1 इज इक्वल्स टू 2 इंटू सॉरी, यहाँ पे एक मिस्टेक हुआ, देखो डिफरेंशिएशन एफ डैश होना चाहिए इसको, ठीक है। आई हैव रिटन एज एफ ऑफ एक्स, मेक इट एज एफ डैश ऑफ एक्स। एफ ऑफ -1 2 इंटू -1 क्यूब, इक्वेशन 1 में नहीं सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, ये इक्वेशन 2 में सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, ये बहुत इजी होगा। कौन सा इक्वेशन 2? एफ डैश ऑफ एक्स में, इक्वेशन 2 में, इक्वेशन 2 बिकम्स, याद रखिए इक्वेशन 2 में सब्स्टिट्यूट क्या होगा? एफ डैश ऑफ -1 6 as it is, okay। Now x is -1 -3 as it is, then again one more, x is -1 +2 as it is. Now just observe this one, what you'll get? 6 into यहाँ पे -4 होगा, यहाँ पे 1 होगा, so this is your -24। 6 into 4 24, 24 into 1 is 24, minus sign as it is, this is less than 0। अगर वैल्यू नेगेटिव है तो ये क्या होगा? इंक्रीजिंग होगा। सो हमको क्या करें सर? स्ट्रिक्टली डिक्रीजिंग। यस, ये यहाँ पे उल्टा रहता है, देखो, इफ द वैल्यू इज एफ डैश ऑफ एक्स इज वैल्यू लेस देन 0 देन इट इज पॉजिटिव। increasing in the interval -∞ to 2, मतलब this is positive। if this point is any point, जो भी पॉइंट यहाँ पे ले लीजिए, वो एफ डैश के इक्वेशन सब्स्टिट्यूट एफ डैश ऑफ एक्स इज इक्वेशन टू, अगर वो लेस देन 0 आया, नेगेटिव वैल्यू आया, तो इट इज इंक्रीजिंग। इंक्रीजिंग का मतलब प्लस। अगर एक प्लस आया तो नेगेटिव नेक्स्ट वैल्यू कंपलसरी माइनस आएगा, कंपलसरी नेक्स्ट वैल्यू प्लस आएगा। ये कंपलसरी ऐसा ही आएगा, आपको एक ही फाइंड आउट करना है। मैं अब पहले ही बोला था, सो आई सेड यू अर्लियर ओनली, just find out only first interval value, whether it is a plus or if it is minus, this would have been plus, this would have been minus। alternative negative positive comes compulsory, okay। condition क्या है? ये इंटरवल के बीच में एक नंबर कंसिडर कीजिए, just consider one number and substitute in f dash of x, okay। now check whether it is a positive or negative value, that is the only thing। number कितना है वो वैल्यू नहीं है हमारे को। if this value is 100 or +2 or -20, that doesn't matter, plus or minus important। if it is minus, so it is less than 0। अगर less than 0 तो increasing, greater than 0 तो decreasing। मतलब less than 0 मतलब increasing का मतलब है प्लस, नेक्स्ट माइनस होगा, नेक्स्ट प्लस होगा। सो प्लस इंक्रीजिंग का साइन है, माइनस डिक्रीजिंग का साइन है। सो हमारे को क्या पूछा? स्ट्रिक्टली डिक्रीजिंग। सो दिस फंक्शन इज स्ट्रिक्टली डिक्रीजिंग इन द इंटरवल -2 एंड उतना ही लिखे तो खत्म। चेक एक ही को करना है। देयरफॉर हेंस एफ इज स्ट्रिक्टली डिक्रीजिंग इन द इंटरवल -2, 3। क्लोज्ड इंटरवल ले लीजिए क्योंकि -2 and 3 वेरिएबल्स। इजंट इट सिंपल? ओके, यहाँ पे एक ही डिफरेंस है। देखो, एक इंटरवल का एक नंबर लीजिए, उसको एफ डैश में सब्स्टिट्यूट कीजिए, वो नेगेटिव रहे तो इंक्रीजिंग पॉजिटिव रहता, अगर ग्रेटर देन रहे तो उसका अपोजिट रहता। ओके, चेक करिए एक बार। सो आई होप एवरीबडी हैज अंडरस्टूड दिस। प्लीज वॉच द वीडियो फ्रॉम beginning to end so that you can clear your doubts very easily and you can solve the problems. In the next video, next class, we'll see another kinds of 3 mark questions on application of derivatives. Okay, so if you are following this, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. See you again.